Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to look back at our pop quiz. Pop quiz number 2. So alright, what I pointed out, or I was going through this and I inadvertently left this out, and I've had this in the other videos, but like I said, I wanted to make sure you knew what needed to be done and what was missing. Now there's so that's the one for the module. So alright, let's comment this out and comment this out, and we bring this in, and we are just going to double check. So help Pygame. So we're going to look at it, and we're going to read it, and we're going to remember it. But it is the very first thing that we need to do, and this is why we use the tools that we have. So alright, initializes all imported Pygame modules. So you do this first, you will not be fighting and battling every little module like this, because let's see, help pygame.font. Actually, let's run dir on it so we don't have to fight it. Pygame.font. So, and there it is. So help pygame.font.init initializes font module. So you could go through here and fight every single one of them. I don't recommend it because you'll forget one. But when we do this, guess what? We don't have to remember, because it does, what does it say? All imported Pygame modules. So that is why this is important. That's why it's there. I said it one time, but I'm a big fan of making a big deal about everything. So that is what, and I want you to get it. Not just watch this and go, oh, okay, that makes sense. I want you to get it. I want it to be part of you. I want you to remember all the steps and understand all the steps. So as always, thanks for watching. Real quick video today. If this is the type of video you like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. And as always, comments, questions are my all-time favorite. Any video requests. You guys are doing awesome. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.